Hey folks, welcome to another LMG Minute. Today we're going to talk about insect repellent. So you guys may ask, what active ingredients do we look for in an insect repellent? So some of those would be DEET, IR 3535, oil of lemon eucalyptus, and picaridin. So that may be a foreign concept to most of you. So let's talk about what are some brands of repellents. So products that contain DEET would include Off, Cutter, Sawyer, and Ultrathon. IR 3535 products include Skin So Soft Bug Guard Plus Expedition and Skin Smart. OLE or oil of lemon eucalyptus products include Repel and Off Botanicals. Picaridin products include Cutter Advanced and Skin So Soft Bug Guard Plus. Most insect repellent that can be put on the skin in the United States must be registered with the Environmental Protection Agency before it can be sold in stores. EPA registration means the insect repellent has been tested and approved for human safety and is effective when used according to directions on the label. Before you buy an insect repellent, be sure to look on the label for EPA approval. Pregnant and breastfeeding women can use EPA-approved insect repellent. Always follow the directions on the label. Do not put insect repellent on babies younger than 2 months of age. Protect small babies under the age of 2 months by placing a fitted mosquito net around their infant seat or carrier. Use no more than 30% DEET on children. Okay, so let's talk about how we use an insect repellent. You always want to follow the directions on the label. You'll spray or rub the insect repellent on your skin that is not covered by clothing. Just make sure not to use it under your clothing. You're going to use just enough to cover your skin. Excess repellent is not necessary. Make sure to never use repellents over cuts or any type of abrasions on your skin. Don't spray repellent directly on your face. You're going to spray it into your hand and then you're going to blot it onto your face. Never put it over your mouth or nose, and make sure just to put a small amount around your ears. You want to make sure that you're using separate sunscreen and insect repellents. You want to make sure to apply your sunscreen first, and then you want to put your insect repellent on top of that. After you come back inside, make sure that you wash the insect repellent off of your skin with soap and water. You also want to make sure that you wash your clothing that you have applied the insect repellent to before you wear it again. So what are some other things that we can do besides insect repellent to prevent insect bites? That would include wearing a long sleeve shirt, wearing long pants, and make sure you're wearing a hat when you're outside. Other things we can do is avoid being outside during the times that the insects are most active. Also make sure when you're outside to spray insect repellent on your clothing. Do make sure when you come back in that you do wash off that insect repellent as soon as possible. So what should you do if you have a reaction to your insect repellent? You want to stop using the repellent and wash your skin with soap and water. If you see your doctor, make sure that you take the insect repellent that you have chosen with you to your appointment. You can also call the Poison Help Hotline at 1-800-222-1222. Thanks for joining us for another LMG Minute. Tune in next week to see what we discuss next.